Hello friends! Welcome to this week's video. Before we get started, I just want to say I'm really sorry for being MIA for the last couple of weeks. I know I haven't uploaded, I think for at least 2 or 3 weeks, I can't remember. I know I have uploaded one video at the beginning of the month, but other than that I haven't uploaded this month. January has not been very nice to my household, so but I'm keeping my hopes up that the rest of the year will go a bit smoother, but we are not off to a great start. But I'm trying to power through it and try to get some sort of content up on here for you, so we're just gonna do it simple today. I have 2 baskets that are overflowing with laundry that need to be folded, so I'm gonna do a fold with me today. So if you would like to join me, grab your basket of laundry that needs to be folded and let's get this laundry folded together, because I know sometimes that it may be easier if someone else is folding the laundry with you. So I'm more than happy to fold laundry with you because I've been procrastinating as well. So let's get this laundry folded together. I do know that it's going to be kind of boring and kind of repetitive and just watching me fold laundry for who knows how long, but I just wanted to show my face and give you some sort of cleaning motivation today. So yeah, before we do get started, definitely go down and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And then definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's just get on into this video.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy,